a squared plus ab plus b squared equal to 100, and a and b are integers. We want to solve and find possible values of a and b. So first, you can check some numbers and you can find two answers easily. One answer is a equal to 100 and a equal to 10, b equal to 1, b equal to 0. Another one, a equal to 0, b equal to 10. Because the equation is symmetric with respect to a and b. If you find any answer, you can switch 10, 0, 0, 10. Now let's write, we know that a and b are integers. Okay. So look, there are lots of ways for solving this problem, but one important way, in general, is to use quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is what? If you have ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, then you can say x equal to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. If you apply it here, a squared plus ab plus b squared minus 100 equal to 0. You can see this as a quadratic formula, quadratic equation in terms of a. And now we want to find a is what? A equal negative b. By the formula here, we said quadratic formula, negative b plus minus square root of negative b squared minus 4 times a times c, which is b squared minus 100 all over 2a. We are working to see, do we have any other answer, and prove the problem. So it is this. Now, if we simplify in next step, it is negative b plus minus b squared minus 4b squared minus 4 times minus 100. It will be 400 minus 3b squared all over 2. Okay. Next step, we can say that, let me write, because a and b are integers, this square root should be integer. So inside that should be perfect square. So 400 minus 3b squared should be t squared. Okay? Now we can see, because t squared is at least 0, b you need to check b from 1 to, without loss of geometry, consider b is not negative. At the end we consider negative sign for only this part. Or we say b equal to 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2. So we should check these cases. So let me write it here. 400 minus 3b squared equal to t squared. And b can be from 0 to 10 plus minus 10. Okay, if b is 0, then left hand side is 400 equal to t squared. So t equal to 20, and it's okay. And we can find the answer. If b is 0, we will see it works. And if you replace b0, a equal to plus minus. Okay, so we found other answers for a. So in this case, b equal to 0 and a equal to plus minus. Now let's check if b equal to plus minus 1. So it will be 400 minus 3. It will be t squared. So 397 is t squared. It's not possible. If b equal to plus minus 2, 400 minus 3 times 2 squared 4, 400 minus 12 will be 388. Okay? So 388 is not perfect square. In next case, b equal to plus minus 3, 400 minus 3 times 9, which will be 400 minus 27, which will be 373, not perfect square. If b equal to plus minus 4, it will be 400 minus 3 times 16 equal to 400 minus 48 equal to 352. Again, it's not perfect square. Let's check other numbers. B equal to plus minus 5, 400 minus 3 times 25 equal to 400 minus 75, 325, which is still is not perfect square. If b equal to plus minus 6, 400 minus 3 times 36, which will be 400 minus 108, and it will be 292. Again, it's not perfect square. Next step, we consider b equal to plus minus 7. It will be 400 minus 3 times 49. It will be 400 minus 147. And it will be 253. Again, it's not perfect square. Now, if you check b equal to plus minus 6, 400, sorry, plus minus 8. 400 minus 3 times 64 equal to 400 minus 192, which will be 208. It's not perfect square. Two numbers are left. First number is b equal to plus minus 9. So 400 minus 3 times 81. So it will be 400 minus 243, which will be 157. It's not perfect square. In last one, b equal to plus minus 10. It will be 400. I am seeing that you can also check b equal to, let's check 11. Okay. So 400 minus 3 times 100. It will be 400 minus 300, 100. It's good because it is this. So b is plus minus 10. So t will be what? T will be 10. Okay, we thought about subchannel t is greater than equal 0. Now, if we check t is 10, so b is plus minus 100. So I can say in this case a equal to plus minus 100 and t equal to 10. Equal to plus minus 10, t equal to 10. So it will be negative b, negative plus minus 10, plus minus 10 all over 2. So we will see minus plus 10 plus minus 10 all over 2. So here we can say minus 10 if equal to minus 10. Then here we have plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. It will be a equal to 10. So and we will see it works. If b equal to negative 10, we can say a also can be 0. And also if you consider b plus 10, a can be, because plus 10 will be negative 10, negative 10, negative 10 will be negative 10, and also b plus 10, a equal to 0. Okay, so let's write all answers again. This one, we found other answers. B plus 10, A 10, let's check. I think we need a new page to write all answers, but here, B plus 10, A equal to negative 10 and 0, B equal to negative 10, A equal to 10 and 0. Now let's check B equal to plus minus 11. It will be 400 minus 3 times 11 squared, which is 121. 400 minus 363. We subtract, it will be 4037. It's not good. If b equal to plus minus 12, it will be 400 minus 3 times 144. Now it will be 400 minus 1. So it will be negative, and after this number, all of them are negative. So if I want to write all answers, let me write a new page. A and B. Plus minus 10, 0. 0 plus minus 10 plus 10. Negative 10, negative 10 plus 10. So we found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 answers for this problem. If you have a question, or let me write homework for you. This homework, try to solve this. A squared plus AB plus B squared equal to 1000. And A and B are integers. Solve this and comment your answers right below this video. If you had questions, send message to my WhatsApp number, please. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification, and like the video. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.